Okay, I want to give you just a quick introduction to what you're going to do for your discussion post here on page 6. So, as we saw from page 1, we had an introduction to how we can identify the input and the output quantities from a graph. And so here on a table, the input quantity is going to be generally the first thing, so either the top row or the left-hand column. And then our output quantity is going to be the rightmost column or the bottom row. So as you can see here, the American Cancer Society translates BMI for women in terms of this information given to our table. So we know that the input is going to be our height. We're going to have to identify a letter for that. And the weight is going to be our output. And so now the other key thing that you're going to want to do when you're making your graph is here where it says choose an appropriate scale. And so an appropriate scale means that the data point should be spread out across most of the grid. So you want to make sure this is both horizontally and vertically. So you really want to look at what these values are telling you. And anytime that you are looking at some information, you want to make sure, again, you know what this corner point is. This corner point is your origin. And then you want to figure out how are you going to want to scale your graph so that your points are equally distributed here in the graph.